ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಉಮಾವತಿ. ನಾನು ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕಿಯಾಗಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮೈಸೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ವಿಭಾಗದ 5ನೇ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ನ 3ನೇ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಾದ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಈ ಘಟಕದ ಅಧಿವೇಶನ 25 ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ಇತರೆ ಅರೆವೈದ್ಯರ ಪಾತ್ರ, ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಡಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಈ ಕುರಿತು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಅಧಿವೇಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ನರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ನರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೋಗಿಯ ನಡುವಿನ ಸಂಬಂಧದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿಕೊಡಲಾಯಿತು. Recap of the previous session. In the previous session, we have learned the role of paramedics, relationship between nurse, doctor and nurse patient. Learning objectives. Students will be exposed to different health care system and learning outcome. Students will be sensitized to the role of other paramedics in promoting health. Content, introduction, strategies, role of other paramedics promoting health, nurse, medical lab technician, radio imaging technicians, OT technicians, anesthesia technicians, physiotherapist, ambulance service, dialysis technicians, emergency medical care technicians, paramedics helps to community, area of public health responsibility, government's responsibilities for public health, references and multiple choice questions. Introduction. Paramedics is a healthcare professional who respond to emergency calls for medical helps to a hospital. Paramedics mainly work as part of the emergency medical care servants, persons trained to give emergency medical care to people whom injured or ill, typically in a setting outside ಎ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್. ಅರೆವೈದ್ಯರು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ವೃತ್ತಿಪರರಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಅವರು ರೋಗಿಗಳು ಗುಣಮುಖರಾಗುವವರೆಗೂ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರ ತುರ್ತು ಕರೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರೆವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಸೇವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ತುರ್ತು ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಆರೈಕೆಯ ಸೇವಕರಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಗಾಯಗೊಂಡ ಅಥವಾ ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯದಿಂದ ಬಳಲುತ್ತಿರುವ ಜನರಿಗೆ ತುರ್ತು ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಆರೈಕೆ ನೀಡಲು ತರಬೇತಿ ಪಡೆದಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇವರಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜೀಸ್. ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೇರ್ಡ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ ಕೇರ್ ರಾದರ್ ದೆನ್ ಫೋಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅಟ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್, ಎನೇಬಲ್ಸ್ people to increase control over and improve their health, involves the populations as a whole in the context of their everyday lives. ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡುವ ಮತ್ತು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳಿಂದಾಗಿ ಅಪಾಯದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ರೋಗಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ತಡೆಗಟ್ಟುವಲ್ಲಿ ಸಜ್ಜಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಜನರ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಂಪತ್ತನ್ನು ಸುಧಾರಿಸುವಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅನುವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡುವುದು ಅರೆವೈದ್ಯರ ದೈನಂದಿನ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅವರ ಜೀವನವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಡಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ದಿ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಡಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ in the health promotion. It combines aspect of public health, public safety and health care as a healer, clinician and teacher. They are assessing patient, providing emergency treatment, and making diagnosis, monitoring and administering medication, pain relief, and interventions, infusion, dressing, wound injuries. ಅರೆ ವೈದ್ಯರ ಪಾತ್ರ. ಇವರು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಯ ಅಂಶವನ್ನು ಸಂಯೋಜಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ವೈದ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಾಗಿ ತುರ್ತು ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸುವ ರೋಗಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಣಯಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ರೋಗ ನಿರ್ಣಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರೆ ವೈದ್ಯರ ಪಾತ್ರ. Paramedical staff including nurse, lab technicians, radio imaging technicians, dialysis technicians, ICU technicians, operation theatre technicians, anesthesia technicians, physiotherapists, dialysis technicians, and emergency medical care technicians. The role of nurse. Nurse include ANMs, GNM. They are the people who are in close contact with community in providing health care facilities, health provisions, nutrition, management through the ASHA worker. They are managing census of the country, having one-on-one discussion with communities and help in management of national health program. Medical lab technicians. The role of medical lab technicians are identification in the health parameters like collecting, preparing, and testing samples, blood, urine, etc. They are conducting scientific investigations and experiments, recording and analyzing data. Radio imaging technicians. The role of radio imaging technicians are trained health professionals who work with the technology with identifying fracture and other diseases through X-ray, CT scan, MRI scan, and other medical images to assist clinical radiologist and other doctor. ICU technicians. ICU technicians take care of patients in intensive care unit under the supervision of other medical staff. They are monitoring and responding the critical care unit and record the daily reports like BP, pulse, respiratory and other parameters data. These are helps to testing the patient on time. Operation technicians. Operation theatre technicians are transport the patients, preparing operation room for patient, surgery setup, checking, arranging, adjust the medical surgical equipment and do the assistance to surgeons for surgery. Anesthesia technician. Anesthesia technician prepare and maintain anesthetic equipment for operating theatre and clinic and assist to anesthetic during the anesthetic procedure before and after the surgeries. Physiotherapist. The role of physiotherapist is a healthcare profession with assist people to restore, maintain, and maximize their strength, function, movement, and overall well being. Dialysis technician. The role of dialysis technicians work together with a doctor or nurse to provide patient care to people with permanent kidney failure. Dialysis technicians spend a lot of their time taking care dialysis machines. These machines act as patient kidney removing toxins from their bodies. Emergency medical care technicians. Role of emergency medical technicians. An emergency medical technicians, popularly known as an EMT, is a provider of emergency medical services commonly deployed in ambulance. They are clinically trained to promptly and efficiently respond to emergency and other related situations. Traumatic injuries, accident, other medical issues. Paramedic helps the community. Paramedics can help to people and manage the chronic diseases such as diabetes, high blood pressure, cholesterol, and preventing of diseases and illness through immunizations and screening. They can provide information and counseling about way to care for themselves and their families. Area of public health responsibility. Public health promotes the welfare of entire populations, ensure its security and protects it from the spread of infection, disease, and environmental hazard. Government responsibility for public health. The health related activities of state and local government or traditional public health, including health monitoring, sanitation, and diseases control, the financing and delivery of personal health services, including Medicaid, mental health, and direct delivery through public hospital and health institutions. References: Muhammad Akram, Sociology of Health, Rawat Publications, India Journals, Psychiatric Unit A Teaching. Multiple choice questions. First one, the role of dash is very important in the health promotion. Option is A, periodicals, B, paramedics, C, medical, D, hospital. Correct answer is B, paramedics. Second one, dash are testing samples of blood, urine, and conducting investigations and experiment. Option is A, medical lab technician, B, radio imaging technician, C, operation theater technician. D. Physiotherapist. Correct answer is A. Medical lab technicians. Third one, dialysis treatment is given to dash patient. Option is kidney failure, B. lungs failure, C. brain tumor, D. heart attack. Correct answer is A. kidney failure. Fourth one, expand the MRI scan. Option is A. metallic resonance imaging, medical resonance imaging, magnetic resource imaging, D. magnetic resonance imaging. Correct answer is D. Magnetic resonance imaging. Fifth one, the bone fracture identified through the dash. Option is A. X-ray, B. CT, C. MRI, D. above all. Correct answer is D. above all. Thank you.